This is serious business.
Ndio barabara itoke Mandera, ikuje Ramu, ikuje Gari, ikuje Elwak.
The many people who sometimes enjoy me about about this is serious business. I fairly know many places. I would tell you the roads in northern Kenya, the way I would tell you the roads in central Kenya, I would tell you the roads in western Kenya, in many parts of Kenya. And it's because it's my job, you know. This is the job I applied for, to think about the country, to know what to do, where, and to make sure that no part of Kenya is left behind.
Jambo bwana, habari gani? Mzuri sana. Wageni mwakaribishwa. Kenya yetu hakuna matata. Jambo bwana, habari gani? Mzuri sana. Wageni mwakaribishwa.
As for this weekend, you also know that our Shuja Sevens team is also
having something from,
yes,
I think, to the 21st.
Yes,
yeah.
And it's very exciting that Kenya again and our rugby team is up and running, and I really wish them the best as they explore their new ventures out there. Huyu ni William Ruto. Assalamu alaikum. Nawatakia heri na baraka mwezi huu mtukufu wa Ramadhani. Asanteni sana. Mungu awabariki.